skipping meals. Are you losing sleep?
So, oh my god, are you going to Jessica's party?
Oh my god, I'm so excited!
Like, it's gonna be so much fun.
Are you feeling left out? When was the last time you spoke to a real person? Try Upliftify. This new app promotes a healthy relationship with social media by establishing bedtimes and sending helpful reminders during the day.
Thanks, Upliftify.
Thank you, Upliftify! Time for bed! This app also has an AI feature for useful feedback when dealing with FOMO or any other issues.
I don't know what to do. I feel so left out. Maybe I could ask Upliftify AI.
Hey! How are you? Good, how are you guys? So cool seeing you.
I know!
Thank you, Upliftify!
Thanks, Upliftify!
Get Upliftify free on the App Store.